Craig, where do we start? Have we been here before? Oh, we haven't.
Well, we have, yeah. You know, if you look back to some of the worst performances at the club since I've been here, you know, you look at Gresford away springs to mind, with the second half where we've just been so naive today. You know, we've just said to the players there that there's no excuses. You know, firstly and foremost, you know, it's important that we apologise to the supporters that have travelled here, to the club, to its hard-working volunteers. You know, they deserve so much better than that. And as I said, there's you know, it's not acceptable at all. It's not the standards we set, and it hurts. It really does hurt. You know, there's lads out there that have let themselves down, let the club down, let me down. You know, I'm accountable. I'll back the lads. I bring them here and I pick the team, and I believe in those that we've got. However, unfortunately today, as I said, we've let ourselves down, and where do you start, like you said, though?
We had a great start, great goal.
You know, we knew it was going to be difficult here today. They've got their backs up and they've on a good run of form. You know, take nothing away from them second half. They played the conditions much better than us, and they were ruthless. Mm-hmm. So credit to Gresford for that. But the way we crumbled and how naive we were, you know, there's a couple of balls defensively there that we'll have to work extremely hard on this week and make sure we prepare right for Papirnyk, because we're in a position where we shouldn't be, but the league table doesn't lie. No. And no one has a right to be in this league. You've got to earn it, and at the moment we're not doing that. We've got to make sure now that we go and prepare and we work hard every single week, because if we're going to give performances like that, particularly second half, then we might as well admit defeat now. But that's not what I'm about, and that's not what this club's about. We will fight until the end.
Our game's running out?
Yeah, you know, as I said, there's 11 games left now. There's only 33 points to play for, and if we're going to perform like that, like you said, you know, first half we attacked the wind, we played all right, we created chances, we pinned them back, and we knew second half, we said at half time, you know, it would have been nice to get a few more goals, but we're ahead, play with a bit more confidence, but play the conditions as well. We knew that Gresford were going to come at us, and we knew that the wind was going to be a problem, but like them, they dealt with it first half. Like, we should have been able to deal with it second half. Unfortunately, we didn't.
No, they dealt with it certainly in the first half. They played deep and then just cleared everything. Mm-hmm. They got to sleep for one goal, and they were happy with losing 1-0 at half time. And then within 15 minutes of the second half, we were 4 down.
Yeah, and that's where the naivety comes, and that's what I was saying about not being able to play the conditions and game management. But you know, we could talk all day about it. At the end of the day, it's not good enough, and that's as simple as it is.
Did some of them give up?
I wouldn't say give up. They were still running out there. I think they lack belief. You know, there's a difference between giving up and walking about and you know, we'll throw in the towel in, but there's also a mentality of, you know, we're in this position that we're in, and if you are going to be weak-minded, then you're gonna suffer defeats like that in this league.
Some goals, difficult to say. Papirnyk coming up, and some other cup finals as well. We had 37 points this time last season. How much have we got? 15 this season.
Something like that, though.
It makes a difference.
It does.
And the confidence is low as well, is it?
Confidence is low, but there's a group there that have got experience. There's quality there. You know, like I've said at the end, you've got to look at yourselves. You've got to question what you're doing wrong, and as a group, we'll make sure that we pull together now, because the last thing we need is not being together. And as I said, you know, to get out of this mess, you've got to do it together, and today really hurts, as you can tell, though.
Diolch Greg for being so honest, and pob lwc next week.
Diolch.